Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Aire hold open arm only for the model 3844. And this is what it looks like. This is exactly what it looks like when it comes from the factory. This video will serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. And according to the specification sheet that we have down below, this is mounted on the right side of the unit, and you're going to attach this mounting pad over to the sidewall that's here. They have included 4 approximately 1/4 inch self-drilling hex screws to go into the sidewall. When the roof hatch is closed, this is obviously going to mount into or bolt to a bracket that's been attached to the lid. That bracket and those bolts are not included with the hold open arm. Okay. That will allow you to keep that unit in place until you relieve it and it all folds down and closes. Let's go over some dimensional properties of the item so that you can hopefully visually determine and dimensionally determine if this is accurate for your requirements. So first, with the mounting pad, overall about 2 1/4. Let's do this a little differently. By the way, it weighs about 2.9 pounds. That square pad is going to be about 2 1/4, and you can see where the holes fall from one end. About 7/16 over to about 1 13/16 inches. Height on that, it's going to be the same, 2 1/4. Okay. Now, I'll give you an overall dimension, end-to-end overall. 31 3/4 inch. 31 3/4. When I put my tape measure on the end of the bracket, all the way down to the very end of the arm. The dimension from the pivot point to the lid portion, center of the pivot point to the lid portion, is 17 3/4 and then 13 1/2. 17 3/4 from the center line here to the end, 13 1/2 from the center line of this bolt to the center line of this pin of this bolt. Okay. Overall height of the arm, about 1 inch. Appears to be about 1/4 inch thick, maybe 5/16. Yeah, 1/4 inch. And that arm is going to be made of steel, and it's going to be in a prime coat finish. They just sprayed this, and this paint is coming off basically with every articulation of the arm. So that link to the specification sheet will give you an idea of the overall, and I'm looking at it on one of my screens. We'll give you an overall view of what the other piece parts are available for in terms of at least generic description, such as the compression spring. They call it the fully enclosed compression spring operator. Those are available as well. Some of those are behind me, and you can purchase those. And there's not much of a reference except to lever handle and latch device and lock hasp. I don't see... other than that, the handle and then the weather stripping, and that material will be added here as well, and by the time you're seeing this video we'll probably have those parts from Aire as well. But the point of this is, if we're visually identifying this item to help you determine if this is what you need, then hopefully this video has been of some help to you. If you have any questions on the hold open arm only for the Aire 3844 model or any other Aire product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.